A state of emergency now in effect in Palm Beach County. Health officials are urging everyone to take precautions, especially if you're elderly.
WPTV News Channel 5's Matt Sesney live at the county's Emergency Operations Center with more on what the emergency means. Matt.
John Kelly, county officials say they don't want any panicking over this, and that would include, they say, hoarding items like toilet paper. What they do want the public to do with this emergency declaration, they say, is be aware of the virus, and that includes things like washing your hands and staying home if you feel sick.
The principal point of this order is not that there should be any cause for heightened concern or panic.
Palm Beach County's Mayor Dave Kerner wanted to stress that as the state of emergency was announced, adding to the ongoing advice of keeping social distance were warnings from law enforcement.
If you grossly inflate the price of certain commodities like hand sanitizer during this time of emergency, then that's price gouging.
There was also a stern warning on violating any mandated quarantines for patients testing positive. That includes the New York passenger on the JetBlue flight that landed Wednesday night at PBIA, whose trip, the sheriff hinted at, is still under investigation.
I can definitely assure you that we've looked into this. The state attorney can answer you a little bit more because he's researched it, but we've contacted him and federal authorities to see if, in fact, there's some charge that could be lodged against him.
The director of the Palm Beach County Health Department also defended the release of all the passengers on that flight, saying none appeared at risk of the virus.
The protocol for an airline is very different from the ships. Okay, we're not going to fly people around for 3 weeks and then land them off back where they belong.
Dr. Alonso also says they're working with healthcare providers to expand testing for the coronavirus, and they're asking people to avoid hospitals.
If we tie up the emergency rooms with people that want to get tested, then we're creating a huge bottleneck.
The health department says anyone feeling sick or looking to be tested for coronavirus needs to contact their doctor. The health department director also says they're no longer screening travelers into the county for coronavirus since apparently the virus is now here. And again, they repeated the elderly are most at risk. We're live in Palm Beach County. Matt Sesney, WPTV News Channel 5.